So we're back at home now, and Tracy picked up these wonderful deep dish pizzas, flinged halfway across the room, because they're hard as rock. Ew. What did you get it on the floor? Like really bad?
No, like a little tiny bit.
No, we'll clean it up tomorrow morning. This Kendall should be on the floor because she has to have her space. That's the TV. Hi, TV. What's up?
Hi, potato.
Potato.
Oh.
Tracy not eating the pizza now. She's dropped half of it on herself, and now it's disgusting. Oh, we're getting ready. Yeah, that's all of our food. And the Wii remote. And some games. Some ice cream. Because they're sweet.
There was mozzarella sticks too. Okay, idiot. No. Never mind.
And don't worry about that. But, we're gonna watch the movie.
Okay, bye!
We can't talk about it because it's illegal.
Your mom's illegal.
Alright, I'm